Never tell you about the time we was coming back from Newark and this light was following us. Thought it was a UFO.
Oh, tell me more.
I thought it was a UFO.
Yeah, seriously. Me and Stuart Shepherd we've been to Newark, and we was coming back, and all of a sudden, this was in the late 80s, early 90s. All of a sudden, this light appeared in the sky. Shit, what's that? and it was just on us permanently.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell! Started to bloody panic a bit. Anyway, we've come down here, and it sort of disappeared, and then before you knew it, it was there again in front of us, like in the sky, but pointing.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
I think you were gone.
Yeah. and we went through wood, thinking, oh, we've lost him, and literally we went through there, and it was there again in the sky. I'm thinking anal probe and everything here. And then all of a sudden, it turned light off.
You've never told me this before.
It turned light off, and it was a police helicopter.
You blank.
Yeah. Gosh, shitting himself. But the thing was, it was all the way from Cornton, from about Cornton. It appeared in the sky at Cornton, and it just followed us. It was always at the same height. Yeah, but the thing was, it was at the same height all the time, and it was just following us.